Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. What's up, tribe? It's Sheju here, back again with a brand new video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 best Nokia smartphones to buy in 2020. Now, Nokia is a really huge smartphone company that is honestly not new to the smartphone game. I mean, they've been making phones for years and years now. But this really huge company, however, is still relatively new to the Android smartphone space. And so at the very end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my #1 top pick of what I think is the best Nokia phone to buy out of the 3 phones that I'm going to be mentioning in this video. So if you want to find out what that phone is, be sure to stick around till the very end of the video. In fact, I have this secret smartphone here that I'm going to be revealing. And with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Sheju, and on this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make tech reviews and unboxing videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, which I believe you are because you are obviously watching this video, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also tap the little post notification bell icon so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also do me a really huge favor by smashing that like button like right now. What that simply does is that it helps me know that you guys enjoy this form of content and makes me make more of these types of videos for you guys. So with all the formalities being handled, let's dive straight into this video. Now, coming in at #1 is the Nokia 9 PureView, and this phone was actually released in February of 2019. Now let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Nokia 9 PureView and see exactly what this phone is packing. Now the Nokia 9 PureView has 5 rear cameras that are all 12 megapixels each, and it has a 20 megapixel selfie camera. It also has a 5.9-inch 1440 by 2880 display and a Snapdragon 845 CPU. The Nokia 9 PureView also has 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. This phone has a pretty decent 3320 mAh battery, and the entire phone is run on Android 9. Now the price of the Nokia 9 PureView starts around $699, which is equivalent to 250,640 naira in Nigerian currency. Now the second phone on this list is one that you guys might not have been expecting, but I just had to include it in this video because this phone is actually pretty good. And I'm talking about the Nokia 8.1 that was released in, I think, December 2018. Now the Nokia 8.1 has a 12 and a 13 megapixel rear camera and also a whopping 20 megapixel front selfie camera. It also has a pretty decent 3500 mAh battery and a 6.12-inch 1080 by 2280 display. The Nokia 8.1 also has a Snapdragon 710 CPU, and the entire phone is run on Android 9 Pie. Now the Nokia 8.1 has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. The price of the Nokia 8.1 starts at around $336, which is around 120,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Now the third phone on this list is one that was also released in late 2018. I'm talking around December 2018, and that phone is none other than the Nokia 6.1. Now the Nokia 6.1 has a 16 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front selfie camera. It also has a pretty decent 3000 mAh battery, and the entire phone is run on not Android 9 but Android 8. It has a 5.5-inch 1080 by 1920 display and a Snapdragon 630 processor. The Nokia 6.1 also has 3 and 4 gigs of RAM options, and the 3 gig RAM version comes standard with 32 gigs of internal storage, while the 4 gig RAM version comes standard with 64 gigs of internal storage. Now from my online sources, I could tell that the Nokia 6.1 starts at around $355, which is roughly around 127,800 naira. Now some of you guys might be wondering, say, yes, Sheju, you have mentioned 3 amazing Nokia phones in this video, but what is the best of the best out of these 3 phones? Now my final verdict for what I think is the best Nokia phone to buy in early 2020 is the Nokia 8.1. And that's just simply because for this price point, the Nokia 8.1 has a well-built design, a large bright display, and it also has a pretty great price considering all these specs. The downsides to this phone, however, are that it doesn't have wireless charging support, and it is not waterproof. But I will honestly say that the pros honestly outweigh the cons of this device. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What do you think is the best Nokia phone to buy in 2020? I reply to every single one of my comments, so I'll be waiting to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Like this video if you really enjoyed it. Drop a comment before you leave. And do not also forget to follow us on our social media platforms at TechTribe1 on Twitter and at TechTribe on Instagram. And with that being said, I have to bring this video to a close. I'll see your beautiful faces some other time. Till then, stay safe.